Back in the day, I started my career in sales. I got trained to talk about my product, its features, and the benefit that it provided. Then I'd start dialing for dollars. Sell to the bell, they said, and it worked. But today, that method just does not work as well as it used to, if at all. Why? Because now more than ever, it's more difficult to get people's attention. Now that doesn't mean you should completely abandon your sales team. Instead, help them by giving them more relevant resources, specifically content. Content that your prospects want and need. How does content help your sales team? It helps to build trust because you'll be sending your prospects content that genuinely adds value to them as buyers. It could be an article on your website or even on an industry website, ideally one that you've helped to write. Another option is to send them a free guide that walks them through a buying process or simply a checklist to make their lives easier. Think about it. If two salespeople call you up and one goes for the close and the other provides you some objective information that makes your life easier, which one would you buy from? The key, of course, is to have content that actually adds value. Not only will great content help to close more deals, but it will also decrease the sales cycle. Give your salespeople some awesome content and they will love you for it.